Munyu yang lem ang Lengha village sa hipak ya lagi nang de tong stage pa tong na.
Respected special guest, Honorable Chief Minister of Nagaland, Konyak Dongai Anglan, Singaman Balan, Jipa kamay ayan na may chinasya mula na kawan manyang paha. Naman ay say tayo wang simpanang, ay naman sisaw me, tayo hipagyanak chinasya hatu kiyong nang. Konyak Apua Palan, Wanyak Japan Mengawande, Cisu Siang Mansing Wande, Imanu, Auliang Munyu Chiang Iye. Yo Japan me hadu ke aude ngoyang ge emana akyang nune eman kawang ni yope kai hong kai yang me hado me bimba ngomba gimba ang balane kawang ni yope eman yupune jenu ta da wande ta ai siwang mana tawla haru ta wande mai tu na omna wi de ta wande wi tu la ni chingago angpa ta okla namai ta oklak se hado ki buya phan me imane chun payange sa tu mana pan me yo wa pianong hadawa iman we pale re tue dai be iman pan me ta shanang anu ongoi kwa pan me lang nang to ke imane hado ki e ya a hoyange hayang boy tani tu mana jisu krista miti siwayang e chula bongbong hado ki e ngwande Konyak kapok rigagin siya pe wande. O hilang asaya anu cha siya nga hibak siya ma tumano kanyang ke. Hayang mo tumano tani ni lembu. May lao ang pa tuibu may lafayanang. Sa niyo ang pa tuibu sa niyo fayanang. May niyo faniyo ang pa tuibu may niyo fayanang. Jualik asaya ni lembu. Ating ba aje pe ni lembu ya ay tumano hatu ki e chun pa nang. Hayang boy kawang miti siwa tamnak sinese tumano lingha. Konya katalan ni se da paita me palak chile se ating naklu kristianan hado ki timla o se hatang au se nang aneo awang le kawang ka tong ni yang ki hado me eli bu me ka ta ni yang ki aneo nokune ka ta le tong yang ki hado me lenga apulane hado abang ho lenga apulane kap ka o mo pe yang ki hado me chingyo ya chinwa le nyang phai me apa chin me sokale ching phai ge hawande sokale wong ko yang sip june tamani yang phai ge ane utenyo konyak stinyu nan nalan kaya hado me heritage cha wong ko yang se konyak kong lenga kong sin bai ta syang muke lenga kong sin kong larang keme ne woyang me tuman hipak me iman phai hipak ne Rame hipang me to ki tuman ke toileng pe botani opung yang e naglen Chief Minister ni siriu kai hado e patam chune yo mongana welcome ceremony hatanga igni konyak sanyu konyak malang konyak mayu wang yang jagalan kafan me Ong pu konyak katalan, lumayang lang, sinama palan, hakalong palan. Konyak awala la China hato heda de sinde, paya soman, paya solang paise, mga matay buhay. kawang miti siwa tamang ne asawan na puhu pala ne wang yung ula po yoy tamane kawang sipume ang yang munuah dia chon na ose lewang pakaye hata nyoy tani tawe lokale lakchine ano kawang miti siwa tamang chinase tawa taw ne me hato ke ang ngalan phanang phusoi lo punya tali hara kau ko chalo
Jamse tuman beating of loud drum ukhapan na halang sa kham sulana ukhapan na halang ngono
The log drum, a sacred pulse of the Naga village, has long stood as guardian of time and tradition. Once a treasure of clans, it remains a relic of power. Its voice commanding the attention of the skies, which with each rhythmic strike, the air trembles, carrying messages of urgency, celebration and honor, echoing the past, anchoring the present. The sacred beating of the log drum, known as the Kham Mai, signals the dawn of a new season, a prayer for the earth's bounty. It is the heartbeat of the village, summoning blessings from the spirit, whispering invocations of prosperity, health and protection. The drum's call transcends time, reaching the divine realm, ensuring the prayers of the people are heard. And so, as we stand joy's rhythm, may the Almighty grace of the harvest rich and plentiful. May the drum's reverberation shatter discord, weaving peace into the fabric of our land. Let the sound rise high, and let it be heard across mountains and rivers. And may the land of Ang be forever blessed with unity, abundance, and harmony. dances weave the soul of the village, a timeless echo of heritage, a rhythm of life. Cherished by the community, they sing a language beyond mere words, a melody that carries the heart's deepest emotions of faith, love, and valor. With hands unwind, they stand in perfect circle, voices rising like a river's flow. At the center, lead singers stand, guiding the dancers as feet carve intricate patterns upon the earth. Upright they stand, proud as warriors, their steps narrating tales of bravery and devotion, their garments whispering echoes of ancient lore.